Hello all, this is Preeti Kedari, Assistant Professor in Electronics, Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Pune. Today's topic is Binary Addition and Subtraction, Chapter number 1, Number Systems and Digital Codes from the course FYBSc Computer Science, Principles of Digital Electronics. Agenda of my presentation is signed number representation, binary addition laws, binary subtraction laws, subtraction using 1's complement method and subtraction using 2's complement method. First of all, we will go through the signed number representation. There are three different representations for a signed binary number. First one is sign magnitude representation, then first complement representation and second complement representation. The maximum positive and maximum negative numbers that can be represented by n-bit signed binary numbers are as follows. So sign magnitude numbers, maximum positive is plus 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1 and maximum negative is minus 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1. In 1's complement representation, maximum positive number is 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1 and maximum negative representation is minus 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1. And 2's complement representation, maximum positive is 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1. Maximum negative is minus 2 raised to n minus 1. Sign magnitude representation. Just like decimal number system, sign can also be assigned to binary number. This is done with the help of a sign bit. Sign bit will always be the MSB, that is most significant bit. Bit 0 is used to represent positive number and bit 1 is used to represent a negative number. For example, an 8-bit signed binary number 01110000 represents a decimal signed number plus 112. On the other hand, 11110000 represents a decimal signed number minus 112. So you can see here the 8th bit, that is the MSB bit, is a sign bit. If it is 0, that means the number is positive, and if the MSB bit is 1, the number is negative. In an 8-bit signed binary number, the MSB gives the sign and the remaining 7 bits represents the magnitude. 1's complement representation. In 1's complement representation of a binary number, a negative number is represented by complementing every bit of the given number. Consider 7. So, if you consider this decimal number 7 and if you are going to convert it into the binary number, the equivalent binary number is 0111. To represent minus 7, find 1's complement of 0111, that is 1000. Thus, minus 7 will be 1000 in the 1's complement representation form. 2's complement representation. In 2's complement representation, every negative number is expressed in its 2's complement form. The 2's complement of a number is obtained by finding its 1's complement and adding 1 to it. That means, as we have seen earlier, 1's complement of a number can be formed by replacing zeros with the ones and ones with the zeros. So, this is the first step, and in the second step, we need to add 1 into the 1's complement of the given number. For example, minus 5. Its 2's complement form is obtained as. So first of all, find out 1's complement of 5 and then add 1 into it. So 1's complement is obtained by replacing every one with 0 and vice versa. 5 will be equal to 0 1 0 1 and 1's complement of 5 will be 1 0 1 0. So the 2's complement will be 1's complement plus 1, that is 1 0 1 0 plus 1 equal to 1 0 1 1. Hence minus 5 in 2's complement form is 1 0 1 1 and plus 5 will be 0 1 0 1. Binary addition. It deals with all the operations with binary numbers. Here we consider operations with unsigned numbers only. The laws of binary addition are as follows. Suppose we have two numbers a and b, it will generate sum and carry. So 0 plus 0, sum will be 0, carry will be 0. 0 plus 1, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. 1 plus 0, sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. And the last combination, that is 1 plus 1, sum will be 1 and carry also 1. We will go through some of the examples. 1011.101 plus 1101.100. So you can see here 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. Then we get 3 ones, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here we will get answer is 1 along with carry is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. And 3 ones, here we will get answer is 1 with carry is equal to 1. When 3 ones are added, we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1, which will be 1 0 plus 1 equal to 1 1. So do remember this thing. Add 101.10, 100.01 and 001.111. So as we have already seen the rules of binary addition, according to that only we need to do the addition. Here we will get the final result equal to 1011.101. Here some of the problems for practice purpose. Add 0.101, 1010 and 101.10. Second problem 10010.11 and 11.1001. And the third one, add decimal 52 and decimal 36 using binary addition technique. So in the third problem, first of all you need to convert the given decimal numbers into the binary numbers and then do the addition using rules of binary addition. Next topic is binary subtraction. The laws of binary subtraction are 0 minus 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. 1 minus 0, difference 1, borrow 0. 0 minus 1, difference is 1, borrow is also 1. And 1 minus 1, difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Here we must remember one thing, that 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. For example, subtract 011.10 from 111.01. So you can see the LSB bit, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1, borrow 1, answer is 1. Then 1 minus 1 minus 1, answer is 1 with borrow equal to 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Subtract 10.11 from 1000.10. Again, by applying the rules of binary subtraction, you can do the subtraction. The answer we will get from this problem is 0101.11. Borrow in 1000.10 can be illustrated as follows. 1 is borrowed from MSB, so we have 10 which is 2. Again 1 is borrowed from 2, so we have remainder 1 and so on. Subtraction using 1's complement. Now if we go through the rules of binary subtraction, it is little bit difficult to understand and solve the problem. So we will go through the technique of subtraction using addition. we have two different methods, that are subtraction using 1's complement and subtraction using 2's complement. First of all, we will go through subtraction using 1's complement. Some subtraction of binary numbers can be done using 1's complement method. Suppose a and b are two binary numbers and we want to perform a minus b. The steps to be followed are: find 1's complement of b. 1's complement of a number is obtained by replacing each 0 with 1 and vice versa. Add this complemented number to a. The carry obtained is added to the result to get the final result. We will go through the example 110101 minus 100101. The first number is a, that is 110101. Find out 1's complement of b, that is 100101, and 1's complement will be 011010. Then do the addition of a and b complement. We are getting carry over here. Add the carry into the final answer and it will give us the final answer for 110101 minus 100101, that is equal to 10000. Next example is 101011 minus 111001. So find out 1's complement of b, add it into a. If carry is 0, that means answer is negative, and if you get answer negative, make 1's complement of the answer. To get the final answer, the sign will be negative. Subtraction using 2's complement. Another easiest way is the method of 2's complement. Consider a minus b, which will be equal to a plus minus b. However, minus b is nothing but 2's complement of b in 2's complement representation. Following steps are to be followed for subtraction using 2's complement method. Consider, first of all find 2's complement of b, add it to a. If carry is 1, neglect it and we will get the required subtraction. In this case, a will be greater than b. But what if a is less than b? Then the answer is not the actual subtraction but its 2's complement and no carry will be generated. So using this procedure, if you are not getting any carry, it means the answer is negative and you need to find out the 2's complement of the answer. Here is the example. Perform 22 minus 15 using 2's complement method. So first of all, convert the decimal numbers into the binary number. Find 2's complement of b. Then how to find 2's complement? First of all, find out 1's complement by replacing all zeros with 1's and 1's with zeros. Add 1 into 1's complement of b and then add 2's complement of b into the a. So here I have already solved the problem. Carry is equal to 1. Neglect the carry. So the final answer will be 00111, that is 7. So as we know that 22 minus 15 is equal to 7 and the same answer we are getting using 2's complement method. Here is another example. You can go through it. In this example, we are getting carry is equal to 0 and as we have discussed earlier, it means that answer is negative number. So make 2's complement of the answer. So here the 2's complement of the answer, that is 11001, will be 00110. Add 1 into it, so the answer is minus 7. Here I have given some of the problems for exercise purpose. Go through them and solve them. These are the references. Thank you.